Hi students, welcome back to online classes. So see that one, in the previous class we are completed that in the transformations we are started the objective, and 11th question number 11 we are completed. So continue the question number 12. Oh, see that one, what is the question number 12 is? What is the question number 12? Sin 6 theta minus sin 2 theta. Sin 6 theta minus sin 2 theta is equal to. So it is a direct formula, students. What is the formula? Already you know that. Sin C minus sin D. What is the sin C minus sin D formula? 2 into cos of C plus D by 2 into sin of C minus D by 2. So apply this formula here. So what we will get that implies 2 into cos of 6 plus 2, that is nothing but 8 theta by 2 is nothing but the 4 theta into sin 6 minus 2 is the 4 by 2 is the 2 theta. So if you know the formula, you will get the answer in one step. Okay, so see that question, students. Answer is option 2 is the answer. Okay, so see the question number 13. So what is the question number 13 is? So see this question, students. Cos 25 minus cos 65 degrees. Cos 25 minus cos 65 degrees. So what is the formula is this? This is in the form of cos C minus cos D. Cos C minus cos D. What is the formula, students? Minus 2 into sin of C plus D by 2 into sin of C minus D by 2. So what I will do that one first, I will take the minus common, students, but by our convenience, because this is a big number, so that's why I am taking the minus common. Then you can written as cos 65 minus cos 25 degrees. What happens, students? Minus cos C minus cos D minus 2 into sin of C plus D by 2. So 65 plus 25 is nothing but a 90. 90 by 2 is nothing but 45 degrees into sin C minus D by 2. 65 minus 25 is a 40 by 2 is nothing but a 20 degrees. So what happens, students? Minus of minus, it will become plus 2 into sin 45 is a 1 by root 2 into sin 20. So here 2 by root 2 is nothing but the root 2 into sin 20 degrees. So use this formula here, you will get the answer in one step. So the answer is nothing but option 2 is the answer. Okay, so see that one question, students. So see the next question, question number 14. 2 cos theta minus cos 3 theta minus cos 5 theta minus 16 into cos cube theta into sin square theta is equal to. So 2 cos theta minus cos 3 theta minus cos 5 theta minus 16 cos cube theta into sin square theta. So this value is equal to. So you have to take that. This is in the option. They did not given the theta value. They are given one numerical value. So are you understand that? So for all values of theta, you will get one numerical value. That is the answer. Are you understanding that? So that's why what I will take that one easiest angle. I will substitute in this one. Then automatically you will get the answer directly. So what is the answer? We will take that. Take theta is equal to 0. I am taking that theta is equal to 0. What happens? That is equal to this value. It will become that 2 into cos 0 is a 1 minus cos 0 is a 1 minus cos 5 is a 1 minus 16 into cos 0 is a 1 cube sin 0 is a 0. So what it will become that 2 minus 2 minus 0. So the answer will become the 0 only. I am taking the theta value, then you will get the answer directly. Okay, so see that one, these type of questions. So only the numerical value is given. In that time, use the suitable angle in the problem, you will get the numerical value directly. Okay. So see that question, students. See the next question, question number 15. So what is the question number 15? So see that question, students. Cos of 45 plus a minus cos of 45 minus a by sin of 120 plus a minus sin of 120 minus a. So here you have two formulas are there. So what is the first formula, students? See the numerator, cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b. Cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b. What is the formula, students? Anyone can tell that? Minus 2 sin a sin b. 2 sin a sin b. In the denominator, what is that formula, students? Sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. Sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b, that is equal to 2 cos a sin b. 2 cos a sin b. So see this one. So if you can apply these formulas, you will get the answer directly. Okay. So see this. In the numerator, minus 2 into sin a is nothing but a 45 degrees into sin b is nothing but a sin a by, in the denominator, sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. So that is nothing but the 2 cos a sin b. 2 cos a sin b. 2 cos a sin b. So what happens, students? So sin a will be cancelled, 2 will be cancelled. You will get that minus sin 45 is the nothing but a 1 by root 2 by cos 120. Cos 120 is a minus 1 by 2. So this minus and minus will be cancelled, and this root 2 cancel for root 2 times. Yes or no? What is that? 2 by root 2. So that is nothing but a root 2. So otherwise you can return that without a cancellation, that you will return like this one. That is the 2 by root 2. Why? Because it will come into the numerator. It will become the 2 by root 2. 2 by root 2 is nothing but a root 2. Otherwise you can cancel that and you can take the answer directly. Okay. So that is the formula. If you know this formula, you will get the answer in one step answer. Okay. So see that one. See the next question, students. See the question number 16. So see that question. Sin 85 sin 85 degrees minus sin 35 degrees minus cos 65 degrees. Sin 85 minus sin 35 minus cos 65. So what we will do, students, here? So first we will apply the transformation formula for these two terms. So what is that one is? What is the formula? Sin c minus sin d formula. I am already given that. Sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 into cos of c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2. Apply this formula here, students. So sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So what we will get, that c minus sin d formula. So what is the sin c minus sin d formula? 2 into cos of c plus d by 2. So that is nothing but 85 plus 35 by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2. So that is nothing but 85 minus 35 by 2 minus cos 65 degrees. So what happens, students? 2 into cos of 85 plus 35. 85 plus 35 is 120. 120 by 2 is nothing but 60 degrees into sin of 85 minus 35 is 50. 50 by 2 is nothing but 25 degrees minus cos 25. Cos 25 you can written as you can written like this one. That is you can change it to the sign. So what happens? Cos theta you can written as a sin 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta. Cos theta you can written as a sin 90 minus theta. Why I am written like that? 2 into cos 60 is a 1 by 2 into sin 25 degrees minus sin 90 minus theta. So what is that value is? 90 minus 65. It will become that 25 degrees. So that happens, 2 will be cancelled. In the next step, what we will get, students? 25 sin 25 minus sin 25 degrees. So these two terms will be cancelled. You will get the answer is 0. So that is nothing but first apply the formula sin c minus sin d, 2 into cos of c plus d by 2, sin of c minus d by 2. So then here cos 65 is there, just change the cos 65 as a sin 25. Why? Because the sin 90 minus theta is a cos theta. So cancel these 2 and here, and sin 25 minus sin 25, it will become the 0 only. Okay. So see that question, students. See the question number 17. So what is the question number 17? A plus B plus C is equal to 180. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Then what is the condition they are asking? Cos A minus cos B plus cos C is equal to. So what is the options also? So see that option, students. What is the options given? 1 plus 4 into cos A by 2, cos A by 2, sin B by 2, cos C by 2. Okay. So see this second one. 1 plus 4 sin A by 2, cos B by 2, and sin C by 2, So see the next one. Minus 1 plus 4 into cos A by 2, sin B by 2, and cos C by 2. And see the fourth one is minus 1 minus 4 into cos A by 2, cos B by 2, and sin C by 2, So see this question, students. Already we are did in this type of questions. What I am told that one first. If A plus B plus C is equal to 180. So what we will take that first? Take A is equal to, B is equal to, C is equal to 60 degrees. So take A equal to, B equal to, C is equal to 60 degrees. What happens here? Cos A is nothing but cos 30, cos 60. Cos 60 value is nothing but 1 by 2 minus cos 60 value is a 1 by 2 plus cos 60 value is a 1 by 2. So then what happens, students? Minus 1 by 2 will be cancelled. You have to get the answer is 1 by 2. You have to get a 1 by 2. So you can verify the options taking that by verification. So take the problem. So what we will do that, just substitute the values, students. So A equal to B is equal to C is equal to 60 degrees. In this values what happens? 1 plus 4 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2, sin 30 is a 1 by 2, cos 30 is nothing but a root 3 by 2. So what it will become that 2, 4 will be cancelled. It will become that 1 plus 3 by 2. So it will become that 5 by 2. So it is not the option. Next, take the second one. So you have to substitute. If you can practice that, you will get a fast calculation. That is nothing but a 1 plus 4 into sin 30 is nothing but a 1 by 2. Cos 30 is nothing but a root 3 by 2. And sin 30 is nothing but a 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 it will cancel here. 1 plus root 3 by 2. So it is not the option. So take the next one. That is equal to minus 1 plus 4 into cos 30 is nothing but a root 3 by 2, and sin 30 is nothing but a 1 by 2, cos 30 is nothing but a root 3 by 2. So what happens? So here 2 and 4 will be cancelled. It will become that minus 1 plus 3 by 2, minus 1 plus 3, it is the 3 by 2. So take the LCM, students. Minus 2 plus 3 is nothing but a 1 by 2. Maybe it is the answer. Okay, check the next one also, then we can take the clarity. So check the next option also. What is that one is? That is equal to minus 1 plus 4 into minus 1 minus, not the plus. So minus 1 minus cos a by 2 cos b by 2. That is nothing but a cos a by 2 is nothing but a root 3 by 2. Cos b by 2 is nothing but a root 3 by 2. And sin c by 2, sin 30 is nothing but a 1 by 2. So what happens, students? This value will be cancelled. It will become that minus 1 minus root 3 into root 3 is a 3 minus 3 by 2. So it will become that minus 5 by 3. So it is not the option. So what is the answer here? So therefore, what is the answer? Answer is nothing but option 3 is the answer. Option 3 is the answer. Okay. So see that one. Are you understand that how to verify the answer, students? So see that question, students. So try the question number 18. So that is also a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. A plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. Take that a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 60 degrees and verify the answer. Okay. So try that question, students. So see the same model question number 19. So see that question, students. So what is the question number 19 is? So here in this question what they are giving that a plus b plus c is equal to 90 degrees. A plus b plus c is equal to 90 degrees. Then what is the question is? Cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c is equal to. So what is the option, students? I will take the options also. So what is the options are? Check that one. 1 plus 1 cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2, that is a 1 minus 4 cos a cos b cos c, and what is the second option is 1 minus 4 sin a sin b sin c, sin a sin b sin c, sin a sin b sin c. So see the third option, students. So what is that? 1 plus 4 cos a cos b cos c, 4 cos a cos b cos c. So see the fourth one also. So 1 plus 4 sin a sin b sin c, 4 sin a sin b and sin c. So see the check the options also. 1 minus 4 cos a cos b cos c, 1 minus 4 sin a sin b sin c, 1 plus 4 cos a cos b cos c, 1 plus 4 sin a sin b sin c. A plus b plus c is equal to 90. Then they are asking cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c value is. So I am already told that one these type of questions what we have to take that. Take that a is equal to b is equal to c. So that is if a is equal to b is equal to c, then a and b and c values will become the 30 degrees only. Yes or no? So and substitute this value in this question, what we will get that cos 60. Why? Because a is a 30, 2a will become the 60 only. So it will become the cos 60. Cos 60 is a 1 by 2. Cos 2b, it is also cos 60, it is also 1 by 2. And this is also 2c. 2c is also 60 degrees. Cos 60, it will become that 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, it will become 3 by 2. It will become 3 by 2. Okay. So see the options also. We will verify the options also, students. So see that carefully. 1 minus 4 into cos a. What is the cos a? Cos a value is a 30 degrees. Cos 30. Cos 30 value is nothing but root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. So what happens? So that is 2 and 4 will be cancelled. It will become that 1 minus 3 root 3 by 2. So it is not the answer. So check the next one is a 1 minus 4 into sin a value is a 1 by 2, sin b value is a 1 by 2, sin c value is a 1 by 2. So what happens here? This value will be cancelled. 1 minus 1 by 2. So the answer is 1 by 2. So it is not the answer. So next one is so this value is a 1 plus 4 into cos a is nothing but a root 3 by 2. Cos b, it is also root 3 by 2. Cos c, that is also root 3 by 2. So what happens, students? This value will be cancelled. You will get that 1 plus 3 root 3 by 2. So it is not the answer. So check the next one is that is equal to 1 plus 4 into sin a sin b sin c, that is nothing but 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Why? Because a is a 30 degrees, sin 30 is nothing but 1 by 2. So all these values will become 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So what happens? So there is the 4 and the 2 will be cancelled. So what we will get that 1 plus 1 by 2. So take the LCM students here. So 2 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 3 by 2. So check the answer here. It is the 3 by 2, and here if you substitute this angle in these options, you are getting the 3 by 2 is here. So this is the answer. So what is the final conclusion? So therefore answer is nothing but option 4 is the answer. Option 4 is the answer. Okay. So see that question students, and try the next question. Question number 20. Question number 20 is also same model question. A plus B plus C is a 90 degrees. So take A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 90 degrees and verify the answer. Okay. So see that question students. So see the question number 21. So what is that question students? So A plus B plus C is equal to 270 degrees. A plus B plus C is equal to 270 degrees. Then they are asking cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C is equal to. So what is the options are here? So 1 plus 4 cos A cos B cos C, and see the second one, 1 plus 4 sin A sin B sin C, 1 plus 4 sin A sin B and sin C, and see the next one also, 1 minus 4 cos A cos B cos C, 1 minus 4 cos A cos B and cos C, and see the fourth option also, 1 minus 4 sin A sin B sin C, 1 minus 4 sin A sin B sin C. So see that one, I am already told that one, already know that how to do this problem is. So what is that? I will take that, here I am taking that A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 90 degrees. Why? Because A equal to B is equal to C, automatically it will become, every angle will become the 90 degrees only. Substitute these values here students. So cos 2A, cos 2A, A value is 90, automatically cos 2A is a 180 degrees, plus cos 180 degrees, plus cos 180 degrees. What is the cos 180? Cos 180 is a minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. So the answer will become the minus 3 only. The answer is minus 3. So we will substitute this angle in the options. So by verification, what I will start the options here. So take the first option is, what is that? 1 plus 4 into cos 90. Cos 90 is nothing but 0. Cos B 0, cos B 0. So the answer will become the 1 only. So but this is not the answer. So check the second one is 1 plus 4 into sin 90, 1 sin 91 sin 91. So it will become that 1 into 1 into 1. So but it is a 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4, it will become the 5. So but this is not the answer. So here 1 minus 4 cos A cos B cos C, you can take it as a 1 minus 4 into cos A cos B cos C. These values are 0 into 0 into 0. It will become that answer is 0, but the answer is not the 0 here. So this value is 1 minus 4 sin 90 is a 1. So it will become that 4 into 1 into 1 into 1. So what is this value students? 1 minus 4. So it will become that minus 3. So minus 3 is the answer. Or understand that? So if you can practice this type of questions, it will become very easy to verify the answers. Okay. So what is the answer is here? Option 4 is the answer. All are understood students? So see that question. So see the next question, question number 22. So what is the question number 22 is? So see this question students. Cos theta minus alpha, cos theta minus alpha, comma, cos theta, comma, cos theta plus alpha or in HP. HP meaning is harmonic progression. Already we are discussed in the sequence and series, arithmetic progression, geometric progression. These two we are discussed. Okay. So next one is the harmonic progression. In this your PU you don't have that, but see that one, it is very easy. So see this one. If A comma B comma C are in AP, A, B, C are in AP, if and only if 1 by A comma 1 by B comma 1 by C are in HP. Are you understand that? A, B, C are in AP, 1 by A comma 1 by B comma 1 by C are in HP. If 1 by A comma 1 by B comma 1 by C are in HP, automatically A, B, C are in AP. So what is the harmonic progression is? Harmonic progression is nothing but 2 by B is equal to 1 by A plus 1 by C. Are understand, students? So here you have to understand that only. So if we can take the reciprocals, of the given, what is the terms is given, automatically it will converts into the arithmetic progression. If any harmonic progression is given, if we can take the reciprocals of the given terms, automatically it will converts into the harmonic progression. Are you understand that? So if A, B, C are in HP, automatically 1 by A comma 1 by B comma 1 by C are in AP. If A, B, C are in AP, 1 by A comma 1 by B comma 1 by C are in HP. Okay. So if any problem is given in the questions, if the given problem is in HP, arithmetic, that is the harmonic progression, so we will convert into the arithmetic progression. Already know the what is the how to calculate that arithmetic progressions. So every problem in the harmonic progression is given, we will convert into the arithmetic progression. Okay. So that's why they are deleted in your PU. So in the extension of that, that is in the corona time, they are deleted that harmonic progression. So but it is the condition, just only the concept is if A, B, C are in AP, 1 by A comma 1 by B comma 1 by C are in HP. If A, B, C are in HP, automatically take the reciprocal. So 1 by A comma 1 by B comma 1 by C are in AP. Okay. So here what they are given, cos theta minus alpha comma cos theta plus alpha are in HP. Automatically if you can take the reciprocals, what is that? So that is nothing but 1 by cos theta minus alpha comma 1 by cos theta comma 1 by cos of theta plus alpha are in AP. Are you understand that? So these are in HP, automatically the reciprocal will become into AP. So already know that what is that, A, B, C are in AP. If A, B, C are in AP, already know the condition. What is that? 2B is equal to A plus C. 2B is equal to A plus C. So this is the A, B, C are in AP. Then 2B is equal to A plus C. What happens? That implies 2 by cos theta is equal to 1 by cos of theta minus alpha plus 1 by cos of theta plus alpha. So that implies 2 by cos theta is equal to, take the LCM, students, what it will become, that cos of theta plus alpha plus cos of theta minus alpha by cos theta plus theta minus alpha into cos of theta plus alpha. So that is implies 2 by cos theta is equal to cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B is nothing but 2 cos A cos B. So that is nothing but 2 cos theta into cos alpha. 2 cos theta into cos alpha. What is this value, students? Cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. Cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B is nothing but cos square A minus sin square B. Cos square A minus sin square B, direct formulas. So take this, and here I will cancel this value here and take this denominator to that side and take this denominator to this side. Take the cross multiply. So what it will become, that cos square theta minus sin square alpha is equal to, take this term to that side, it will become that cos square theta into cos alpha. So take this value to this side and take this value to that side. What happens, students? Cos square theta minus cos square theta into cos alpha is equal to, take this term to that side, it will become that sin square alpha. So from these two, what I will take that, I will take that cos square theta common. So then it will become that 1 minus cos alpha is equal to sin square alpha, you can written as 1 minus cos square alpha, yes or no? So 1 minus meaning is a 1 square minus cos square alpha. So that implies cos square theta into 1 minus cos alpha is equal to a minus a square minus b square is nothing but a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. So that is nothing but 1 minus cos alpha into 1 plus cos alpha, 1 minus cos alpha into 1 plus cos alpha. What happens? 1 minus cos alphas will be cancelled. You can written as cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos alpha. So that implies cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta formula, already know that. What is the 1 plus cos theta formula is? 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 plus cos 2 theta formula is 2 cos square theta. From the cos 2 theta formula, I am applied that half angle formula. 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. So we can written as 2 cos square alpha by 2. So what is the question they are asking, students? What is the question is, they are asking cos theta into secant alpha by 2. Cos theta into secant alpha by 2. So what I will do that one? Cos square theta, so that is equal to 2. This take into the numerator, it will become that secant square alpha by 2. So take this term to this side, what happens? Cos square theta into secant square alpha by 2 is equal to 2. If you can remove the square on this side, you will get that plus or minus square root on the another side. So that is nothing but cos theta into secant alpha by 2. If you can remove the square on this side, you will get a plus or minus square root on the another side. So cos theta into secant alpha by 2, cos theta into secant alpha by 2, it will become that plus or minus root 2, plus or minus root 2. So see that question, students, important question. So these terms are in HP, automatically take the reciprocals, it will become in AP. So 2 by B or 2b is equal to a plus c form, 2b is equal to a plus c form. Otherwise, if you can return, don't like this one, you can return directly also. If a, b, c are there, so 2 by b is equal to 1 by a plus 1 by c. Or understand that? So otherwise, change into the AP, you will get the same form. 2b is equal to a plus c. So take that LCM, cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b, in the denominator cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b formula is 2 cos a cos b. Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b is a cos square a minus sin square b. And you can cancel the 2 on the both the sides and take the cross multiply. You will get that cos square theta minus sin square alpha is equal to cos square theta into cos alpha. Take this term to this side and take this sin square alpha to that side. And sin square alpha you can written as a 1 minus cos square alpha. It is in the form of a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. In the LHS side, you can take the cos square theta common and cancel that 1 minus cos alpha. So cos square theta, it will become 1 plus cos alpha. 1 plus cos alpha can be written as 2 cos square alpha by 2. So in the answer they are given in terms of secant. So that's why this cos square alpha by 2 I am taking into the denominator. It will become the secant square alpha by 2. And take this term to this side. Cos square theta into secant square alpha by 2, it will become 2. Remove the square on the LHS side. You will get a plus or minus square root on the RHS side. So that is the answer. So what is the answer, students? Answer 3 is the answer. Okay. So see that question, students. See the next question, question number 23. So what is the question number 23 is? So see this question, students. Sin of n plus 1 into a plus 2 sin a 2 sin na plus sin of n minus 1 into a by cos of n minus 1 into a minus cos of n plus 1 into a. So this is the value they are asking. Okay, so see that, students, how to solve this question here. So what I will return that first, I will take this term and this term first. What is that? So you can understand this. So sine of n plus 1 into a meaning is sine of na plus a plus what is this? Sine of na minus a plus 2 into sine na whole by in the denominator I will take that cos of na minus a minus cos of na plus a. So you have two formulas are there, students. So what is that formulas are? Sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b. So that is nothing but a 2 sine a cos b, and in the denominator it is in the form of cos of a minus b minus cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. So that is nothing but 2 sine a sine b, 2 sine a sine b. Okay. So apply the formulas here, students. What is that? Sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b is nothing but 2 sine a cos b. 2 sine a cos b plus 2 sine na by cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. That is nothing but a 2 sine a sine b. 2 sine a and sine b. So this is a and this is a b. Okay, 2 sine a sine b. So in the numerator I will take the common 2 sine na. You can take the common. It will become that cos a plus 1 by 2 sine na into sine a. So what is the terms will be cancelled, students? So the 2 and will be cancelled, and sine na will be cancelled. Already I am given one formula. 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. And also you have sin theta. What is the sin theta half angle formula, students? 2 into sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Sin theta value is nothing but 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So use this formula here. So I will apply that. What is the condition? 1 plus cos theta you can written as a 2 cos square a by 2 by sin a you can written as 2 sin a by 2 into cos a by 2. So 2 will be cancelled, and the square and the cos will be cancelled. It will become that cos a by 2 by sin a by 2. So it will become that cot a by 2. Cot a by 2. So see that question, students. So if you know these are formulas, so I am applied these are 4 formulas in this question. If you know these formulas, the problem will become easy. Okay. So see that question, students. So see the level 2. So see that one, students. Level 2. So what is the level 2 is? So see the question number 24. So what is the question number 24 is? 4 cos 6 theta cos 4 theta cos 2 theta is equal to. So what is the options is? The options are here. So what is the terms are? So see the options also, students. So cos 12 theta plus cos 8 theta plus cos 4 theta plus 1 and cos 12 theta plus cos 8 theta plus, not the plus, this is the minus cos 4 theta plus 1. So see the next, cos 12 theta minus cos 8 theta plus cos 4 theta plus 1. And see the next one also, cos 12 theta minus cos 8 theta minus cos 4 theta minus 1. So here we will do that in two models here. So see this one here first. So cos 6 theta, 4 cos 6 theta, cos 4 theta, cos 2 theta is given. In terms of thetas also he given here. So what I will do that one, take put theta is equal to 0 degrees. Put theta is equal to 0. So what I will do that one here, students, put theta equal to 0, what happens? 4 into cos 0 is 1. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 0 is 1. So that is the answer is will become that 4 only. Here. So by verification, I will substitute that theta is equal to 0 degrees. What happens? Cos 0 is a 1. So what happens? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So that is equal to 4. Maybe it is the answer. Okay. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So next you will substitute that value here. So what happens? So cos 0 is 1. So 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. So the answer is minus 1 plus 1 will be cancelled. It will become 2. So it is not the answer. So next verify that. 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So that is also option 2. So it is not that. So that is 2 is the answer, but it is not in the option. So next see this one, cos 12 theta minus cos 8 theta minus cos 4 theta minus 1. So replace the values here. So 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. So what will become that? Minus 1 and plus 1 will be cancelled. It will become that minus 2. Minus 2 is not the option. So only one option is there satisfying the given condition. What is that? Therefore you can take the answer here. Answer is nothing but option 1 is the answer. It is easy to verify. Otherwise what we have to do that one, students, we have to take that inside 2 into 2 cos A cos B formula. You have to apply that cos of A plus B formula. So then you can see that in that model also. So see that one. I will do that in the second model also. Second method. Second method. See that one, students. 4 cos 6 theta cos 4 theta cos 2 theta is equal to, what I will do that one first, 2 into 2 cos 6 theta into cos 4 theta into cos 2 theta. So 2 into, what is this form, students? 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B formula is cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. That is nothing but the cos 10 theta plus cos of A minus B. A minus B is nothing but the 2 theta. So into cos 2 theta. So multiply that this one and multiply this one also and multiply with 2 also. So what we will get that? So first term is 2 cos 10 theta into cos 2 theta plus 2 cos 2 theta into cos theta. That is nothing but a 2 cos square 2 theta. 2 cos square 2 theta. So what is this formula, students? Once again, 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B is nothing but cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Cos of A plus B is nothing but a 12 theta plus cos of A minus B is nothing but a cos 10 minus 2 is nothing but a 8 theta plus 2 cos square theta. I am already given one formula, students. 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. Yes or no? 2 cos square theta by 2. In the place of theta by 2, you have a 2 theta is there. Yes or no? So what happens? 2 cos square 2 theta. If it is a theta by 2, you will get a theta here. If it is a 2 theta, it will take the double here. So then it will become 1 plus cos 4 theta. Are you understand that? It is a theta, it will become theta by 2. If it is a theta by 2, it will become double. That is a theta. So here 2 theta is there. It will become double. It will become 4 theta. So what happens here? It will become that 1 plus cos 4 theta. Cos 12 theta, cos 8 theta, cos 4 theta plus 1. So you will get the answer in 2 steps extra. So by your, if you know the formulas very well, you can apply that condition. So otherwise, use the verification model. Use the verification model. Are you understand that? If you know the formulas without confusion, you can apply that. You can do the process. If you have any doubt in the formulas, just verify the answer. You will get the answer. Okay? Are you understand, students? So see that one. In the answers also, if you are getting that, after getting the answer, it is a correct or not, how to check that one? In that method also, you have to verify the answer only. Okay. So see that problem, students. So try the next question, students. Question number 25. Try yourself and see the next question. Question number 26. So what is the question number 26 is? So cos 20, cos 20, cos 40, cos 60, cos 80, cos 80. So this type of questions, what we have to do that one. So some condition is there here. So see that one carefully. 20, 60 minus 20 is a 40. 60 plus 20 is the 80. So cos theta, cos 60 minus theta, cos 60 plus theta. So what is the formula, students? Anyone can tell the formula? Cos, this is not the sign. So okay. So it is the cos. Cos theta, cos 60 minus theta into cos 60 plus theta. So what it will become that? 1 by 4 into cos 3 theta. 1 by 4 into cos 3 theta. So see that one formula, students. We will apply the formula here. First you have to understand that the given problem is in the form. Okay. So what is that? What I will do that one first. Cos 20, this 40, I will return that. Cos of 60 minus 20. This can be written as cos of 60 plus 20. This can be written as into remaining is cos 60 degrees. So this value, it will become that 1 by 4 into sine 3 theta. So 3 theta into cos 60 degrees. So that is nothing but, it is not the sine actually, it is the cos. Okay. So cos theta, cos 60 minus theta, cos 60 plus theta is nothing but 1 by 4 into cos 3 theta. So that is nothing but 1 by 4 into cos 60 into cos 60 degrees. So what happens, students? 1 by 4 into cos 60. Cos 60 value is nothing but 1 by 2. What is the cos 60? Cos 60 is a 1 by 2. So what happens, students? So the answer will become that 1 by 16. So see that one. First we have to understand this. This is in the form of cos theta into cos 60 minus theta into cos 60 plus theta. So the answer is 1 by 4 into cos 3 theta. So you can use the formula here and the extra term is there. Take the out. So the remaining value will become 1 by 4 into cos 3 into theta value is the 20 degrees. So it is cos 60. So already cos 60 is there. Just replace the values. You will get the answer. Okay. So see that question, students.